Right, in this video I'm testing out a new Turtle Wax interior cleaner. So this is for cloth interior, probably could work on leather as well, any kind of car cloth interior. And what I normally use is this one, right, this one from Triple Wax. This one works very well. This one works well on the plastics as well as an anti-static. It's a very good cleaner all around. So I use it on the cloth, as you see in the picture. I use it on sometimes the mirrors as well. It works well on glass as well. Removes dirt and grime from carpet and upholstery. Yep, I use it on carpet all the time. This Triple Wax one is about £3 from your main retailers like Tesco's. Lately I haven't been able to get this, but Turtle Wax have reintroduced their one. When I say reintroduced, what I mean by that is they used to make one exactly like this, 500ml, but they stopped and Triple Wax took over. I really used to like the Turtle Wax one, so I bought this one. Although you're getting less bang for your money, 400ml, and this one is £5.99, so it's double the price. You're getting less in it as well. However, I remember the scent that I used to get with the Turtle Wax was unbelievable. It used to linger for ages. You know, that new car smell you used to get. Gives you a handy kind of, I'm not sure how useful this is, maybe for dirt and grime maybe. I have got actually one location I'm going to try this on, see if it works. I had a bit of mud stuck in there for ages, I haven't been able to get it out. So I'm going to try it on there. It's got a much snazzier kind of top end, I guess. This brush it particularly. So let's test it out. Oh, let's have a look. Triple action, fresh scent, powerful foam. Everything you need, but it is double the price. Right, let's try it out. Might end up as my new favourite car interior cleaner, but you can't really beat the price of about £3. This is probably £5, £6, maybe even £7 in some places. The Turtle Wax one is. Right, let's try it. Need a face mask. Also one microfiber cloth. So this is what I mean. Right here, you might be able to see some stubborn mud stains that have been there for ages and ages. That is obviously a speaker. You know, you don't want to soak it in that stuff, but the brush might come in handy. Alright, okay. It's probably got that speaker soaking wet. It's been blocked a little bit. However, I would say don't use that speaker just yet. Hasn't got into those little holes yet. It hasn't got what the dirt out yet that I wanted to get out. Debatable whether that worked or not. Oh no, I did get one out. So it's kind of handy. I'll carry on doing that and then I'll do the rest. Right, so the little brush I gave you on top, handy little brush, works for things like this. Stubborn areas like that. Let's have a look. I can't really smell anything yet because I've got the mask on. So loads of foam. What I normally do is just clean. And I do, if it is the same smell as the old Turtle Wax I used to remember using before they stopped producing them, I'll let you know. As soon as I smell this, I'll tell you. So the smell's coming through now. No, it's a different type of smell. It's not like your fresh lemon. It's more like your fresh linen. You're like what you would get from linen washing powder. It smells a bit like that. Okay, so you can spray it into a cloth. Getting these areas should have anti-static properties, so it works on all these. What I normally do is anything is just spray it over. Kills any germs anyone's been touching handles with in their hands. Any lingering kind of bacteria definitely get killed by this stuff. Right, I'll just carry on doing that. get cleaner places like the grab handles here. So I'm going to do it now. My arm looking like this. Actually clean buckles, seatbelt buckles, the handles on the outside. Put foam on that. Okay. Right, so it should hopefully cover a large area like that and give you a consistent clean over it, leave no patches. That's what we're looking for. And being foam tends to dry a lot quicker. Areas like this, where one touches. Of course, very important your dash area, the dashboard. I won't put it on my own seat just yet. I think I'm just going to spread it in the cloth this time. No more need for that brush. Well, there might be one. I saw a big stain earlier. It's over the top. These areas catch a lot of dust. Your steering wheel. Get really into these areas here. Get an anti-static property going for you, so it doesn't attract any. And usually this car, because I keep it well maintained, it's got very good anti-static properties. These areas you normally kick with your feet. These buttons here, and you get very dusty, very greasy, grimy, attract a lot of bacteria. Right, that's it. Let me just, I do my seat very last. I'm just going to take off my mask and smell what the smell is. Smells a bit like body cream. Not really unpleasant, but it's different. I like it. Well, I'll keep using this. It's a new one. You can get these at Halfords. I think they've stopped doing the other triple wax ones at Halfords, and I can't really find the triple wax ones in Tesco's either. So anyway, that's why I would recommend at the moment. You don't want to put anything. You don't want to put anything on your car that is like, I don't know, even anything like wash up liquid. Don't go doing things like that, because you don't know what effect that will have on your plastics. You start putting in some sort of crazy detergent, something that's not right for your car, you will find, you'll put it on, the luster on this plastic will disappear. It'll start maybe melting the surfaces off or something as well. So be careful what you put on your car, but always go, my recommendation, always go with solid things like this, known for interiors of cars. Do not put just any old solvent on your car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep well. I'll see you again. One last top tip. These foam sprays, I'm just using the triple wax ones, are very, very good and getting rid of these kind of green algae kind of grow in your windows as well. You'll need another tool. I've got a softish stiff brush here. Get it in there. So you can use this stuff on the exterior of your car as well. Works really well. We don't want them growing, because if you leave these plants, I guess, to grow, they will grow into a miniature tree, if you like. Have a look at some cars. They will grow and they will grow. They won't stop. If you spray some of this on it, it will kill the growth. That's my top tip.